Bruges.
When in Bruges. So we're going on our way to find a carriage ride. Yeah. So we are just now getting to the central square where the bell tower is. Right here. And you can go inside and climb all the stairs to get to the top. I might try that this trip. Maybe.
I'm really not. I'm a fat American. I'm not doing it.
But we're gonna take a carriage ride this morning.
Maybe. Depending on how much.
Right.
We're on a budget now. You know, this is the end of the trip. We have to eat. There's no more cruise food.
No more gambling to make money.
There's no more gambling. There's no more cruise food.
So it's kind of weird being in Belgium and not seeing any Belgian horses yet. Yeah. Valerie's been waiting years for this.
I love doing horse, like the carriage rides. We do them like in Memphis and like New Orleans.
Yeah.
You've done a lot already?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
It's actually our first time.
Really?
This
wow.
world.
First time in Europe, in Europe.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
So this is extra exciting for me.
4 kilometers by foot.
Oh, yeah. Look at the town. Wow. Very gothic. Wow. Oh, yeah.
So then here on my left-hand side, you will see Scenic Museum. It's a museum with Flemish painting.
Right?
And then soon on my right-hand side in the corner, you will see our smallest bridge in Bruges, the Bonifacius Bridge, but we also call it the Love Bridge. Right here, the Love Bridge.
The love bridge.
Oh, wow.
The love bridge.
Wow. The Venice of the North.
Still live in there, but it's very expensive now.
is it?
Oh, okay.
Is it expensive to live in Bruges right here?
Yeah.
This part, yeah.
But you can still go inside and enjoy the beer. They have a blonde one and a brown one.
Okay.
So it's the most famous beer here.
I will try one today. Thank you.
So soon on the right hand side you will see the oil beer brewery, the Half Moon. And that is where the Full of Bruges or the Bruxelles Zot
Right here.
were made. Right here.
Right here? Oh, wow. It's busy. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at that. There you go. Yeah. Wow. There's a lot of swans. Wow.
And then here on my right.
Don't let him bite you though, Jim. I'm not gonna
I
take
think-
a picture with him.
Also, oh, you get some kibble.
I wouldn't touch him while he's eating. It's like a dog.
Oh, he's fine.
No, I don't want it on there. Aww. How cute, Jim. You made a new friend.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, she's so cute. I hope she didn't get in trouble.
Oh,
Yes. Now it's a optical museum you can visit. So then here on my right hand side, if you look up, you will see the Church of Our Lady. This is the second highest church in Europe.
Oh wow.
The Central Baptist Cathedral from the 12th century.
We could come and walk back all this area later.
Oh,
Yeah.
main shopping street.
Okay.
Bless you.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's